here, guys. Ooh, new store for us at the Paris. It's okay, Baba. Mama will do it. Anak. It's a bit heavy to push.
Guys, we are at the market now. So Mommy is gonna park the car.
Yeah, I'm gonna park the car now. Alright, bit.
So we are here and I'm so excited because we haven't been here before. And it's a big building. Like 100 meters tall.
Just checking the parking, guys. No payment required. So, free pala ang parking dito kapag weekend, which is really, really good. So, I just parked the car there, guys. Ngayon, ay, pakita ko sa inyo kung saan. So, see, level 10. Yan, the studio. Yan yung pangalan ng... Sa harapan lang naman ako nag-park. Ate Paris is here. Hinihintay ko lang yung kape ko, guys. So, dito ako nag-order sa Vinty bean. Harapan lang talaga ng level 10, the studio. Ayan. Diyan kami mag-uban. Hey.
So much.
Thank you very much.
Good luck with your
Thank you.
whatever it is.
Yeah. I need that.
Yeah. Okay, enjoy.
Thank you so much.
See you next
Have a
time.
good day. Alam niyo ba, hindi pa kami makapasok kasi sobrang aga pa. First time in the history na maaga kami ni Ate Paris and they're still doing the setup. Tingnan nyo, nasa harapan talaga ng tubig, guys. See, that's the Brisbane River there. And then, andyan ang setup. Tingnan nyo yan. Yan, dyan. Hindi lang siya maganda tingnan sa labas kasi they're doing some renovation at the moment. Here you go, madam.
Thank you.
That's warm. And that's the largest one they have.
I'll show you.
Yeah. We're inside na, guys. Andito ang aming little setup. So, ganito ang setup nila dito. And, kakaiba doon sa kabila, ano?
Oh, you got a pink coffee there.
Any more jobs?
Any more jobs? Yeah, we have to hang these ones. We're doing well. Look at that. They gave us like an extra, rack. Yeah. That's what it's looking here. Oh my god. Beautiful. It's another bag there. Ang iba doon na nilagay sa baba. We'll have something at home kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, he's cooking some egg. So, yeah. Doon nakakain sa Ate Paris. So, we did good, guys, today. And what I really like about this market is, kumpara doon sa isa, dito kasi mas, parang, yung,
Sorry.
malaki,
I was over here.
malaking mga prices, ang mga, ang mga paninda nila. So, what I mean is, doon sa kabila, more on clothes. So, yung clothes kasi, may mga $30, $40, mga ganun. But, this one, konti lang yung mga sellers, but mga high-end yung mga paninda. So, to be honest, guys, I bought a dress, and oh my god, hindi ko pinlano yun. But, sabi ko sa sarili ko, like, I'm going to get really upset if uwi ako na hindi ko bitbit yung dress na yan. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya, nandyan, oh. Actually, 2 dresses yung binili ko, guys. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, you know, I can always resell it if ever, you know, I'm not really gonna like it, or pagkatapos kong suotin, diba? I can always get my money back. But yeah, they're like very good brand, and yeah, of course the pricing is very good as well, guys. It comes together man, diba? Hand in hand. So sa amin ni Ate Paris, sa damit siguro, guys, we've sold 2 play shirts. I think we only sold 2 clothing, I think. Kasi nga doon, guys, hindi sila maano sa mga damit na mga ganyan. More on ano sila, yung mga high-end ba. So yung nabenta namin ay mga bags. So I think I sold few bags. And alam niyo po yung may presyo na 400, yung ganun. So I'm happy kasi at least may benta kami. Hindi marami, pero may ano naman, may presyo. So yeah, I'm definitely going back. So they're open every other Sunday. So next week doon kami sa kabila, and then I think I'll book again for the next ano. Alrighty. And I got someone coming to pick up at 1 o'clock, honey. Something. So gotta get. Do you wanna come, Mama? Yeah. Bili lang muna ako ng ano.
So
I
guys,
have
I'll
noodle
show you a
salad.
trick that I learned with a flag. So first I rolled it up. So now it's like this. Then I had to hold the top here and then look right and do this.
Hi! I love you, Baba. Ayush! Are you? Oh, did you eat? Did you eat egg? Why not?
I'm busy and tired.
Come on, Lainey.
What's the reason?
Come on, Salini. What's that so dark? I'm so hot. I need to change. Ako yun,
How did you go?
Yeah, good.
Talk figures. Talk to me nice.
1,200. Ito yung binili ko, guys. Anak ka!
What?
How did this happen? Tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? I-try ko nga ito.
You buy that?
And this as well. Try ko. Tingnan nyo. Ito siya. Ang brand nito ay ayan, Aklar. So, yung original price nito ay 550. Sa kabila naman, age, yung brand, may mga tags pa to, guys. Ito naman, 595. Oh my God. Pero hindi yan, binalan ko nga. Makita ang... Daddy, can you take a video, see, like, show the thing, the whole look? Yeah. This one, I just need to put, like, a tape, so it's not opening. But it's
Tada.
like this. Nice, yeah? It's a dress, but it looks like, but when I saw it, I could already picture myself wearing it.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts, Dad?
Yeah, it's nice, Bobby. You look great.
I'll try the other one. This is the second dress, guys. Ayan. Nakita. Daddy, be? Sabi ko, Daddy Mike, sino bang may kasal ngayon para ma-invite tayo ba? Para masuot ko to. Show Daddy the... Oh. This is size 10, so it's a bit big, see?
I like this one more, personally.
Really?
Yeah.
The other one before is size 6.
This is more flattering on your body.
Because I'm more like, you know, size 8. So like that's 6, this is 10. So I'm in the middle. But yeah, this is going to look like nicer when it's all slimmed and, you know.
And this is nicer on your body. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Nakapagbihis si mami niyo ng top dress. Alam niyo ba, sobrang init kanina kasi naka-tweed si mami niyo. Tapos sobrang init, guys. Pero sa umaga, sobrang ginaw naman, kaya nag-tweed ako. initin ko lang tong ating chicken curry. So yung mamayang hapon guys, we're going to see our friends, kaibigan natin Paris. Mag-picnic kami mamayang hapon, you know, time for the family. Kasi tapos na tayo sa business kaninang umaga. So this afternoon, play date with Ate Paris' friend. Punta kami doon sa near the river. God. Alam niyo ba, hindi ako nag-makeup today guys, kaya tignan niyo, kitang-kita ang ating ayan. But I'm pretty happy with my skin at the moment. Apart from itong ating ganyan. But, you know, wala akong mga taghiyawat or anything like that. So, I'm happy. Actually, I'm talking crap. Meron akong ganito. Ganyan. Alam niyo ba, lumabas yan nung ginamit ko yung SY Glow na, yung cream ba sa mukha. Every time na ginagamit ko yun, nagkakaroon ako ng, butlig.
Have a kiss biscuit.
Sure, my love.
You have it.
Okay. Can I have a bite? Say hi, boy.
Hello. Hello. It's Halloween. It's not Halloween.
Here you go, palingling.
Not can you put something on TV?
Palingling.
Not can you put something on TV?
Mahal, mahal.
Not can you put something on TV?
A few moments later.
Check out the sunset.
What's the time now, Daddy? Is it 5? 5:20? Yeah. So we change our plan, guys, kasi our friends couldn't make it. So, dapat sana pupunta kami ng Riverside na park. Nandito kami ngayon sa Comsley Reserve. Malapit sa may dagat, guys. Dagat? No, river. Ewan ko, hindi ko alam kung ano to. River ata to. Ito pa rin ba yung Brisbane River? Ako na talaga. Kasi tinawag lang beach eh. So, yeah. Dala-dala namin yung aming picnic mat. Doon kami sa baba. Malapit talaga sa tubig. Si Daddy Mike ay nagluto ng pagkain, guys. Nagluto siya ng sabi niya Filipino food daw for me. It's a bit windy. No, you've been there before. It's not scary.
That's so high.
So, Mama, hold.
I want to help.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's so really high. It's going. What is this sand?
Look, look, look. Hey, look at that puppy. Oh, there's 3 people in here. There. Oh, have a look at the airplane lang. Hey.
Girls. I'm pretty happy with this. Looks on the Huh?
This is so cool. Tingnan yung niluto ni Daddy Mike, guys. Pork rice, we got kimchi, we got boiled eggs there, and some drinks. And that's it. That's for our dinner, guys. It's amazing. Oh, suot-suot ko pala yung ating kay Daddy Mike to na waist trainer.
Waist trainer.
Yeah, yung sa akin hindi ko alam kung saan napunta. But yeah, since we're here only, wala naman makakakita. Suot-suot na namin. Kids. So the airport's there, Daddy.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
That's all we go to the depot around Road.
Look at the sunset, guys. So beautiful. Look at that. So it's now 6 o'clock. We're still here. It's getting dark now. That's the bridge there, guys. See? There it goes. Still flying. Well, a Sunday well spent indeed. A beautiful orange skies.